Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video. Yeah, so what kind of car do you have then?
Oh, okay. I got that all black Prius, the best car. That is the best car. I don't give a damn what nobody say, man. Because people like, oh yeah, I want to get a Tesla, or I'm thinking about driving Uber. I don't have a car. How much? And they go get the most expensive car. If you are new to driving, you have no experience, I would recommend possibly renting a car for like a week or two just to see if you even like it. There's no point investing $30, $40, $50,000 or more into a car, and you're not even gonna be out there driving anyway. Then you're gonna be one of these angry ass drivers driving. Oh yeah, Uber, I bought this car. It's like $40, $50,000, and now look at me, and I'm not making money. Nah, don't do that. I think the best way is to keep it cheap, man. Especially if you knew, let's say you get out there, you rent for a little bit, but okay, I can see myself doing this for like a year, a couple years. You could get a car less than, $15,000, $20,000. So you want to keep your investment low. So either you could buy it cash, or if you finance it, your monthly payment could be fine. Because a lot of people who, especially if they knew, they never consider the bad part. Everything is all peaches and cream. Like, yeah, I'm about to get this car. But what happens if you get into an accident? So now you got to pay for your car note. You got to pay your deductible to get it fixed, and you have to wait, and you have to pay rent and other expenses. So do you really want to be in that type of situation? No. So just keeping it low. And the reason why I have a Prius is because one, the maintenance is cheap. Two, I get shit ton of gas mileage. So I have, let's say if I'm on like 1 bar, like on my like odometer, speedometer, let's say it has like 40 miles left, I will probably put about 8.5 gallons at the most, maybe 9 at the most, to fill it up. So that's pretty cheap compared to, doubling at 16 to 20, gallons, especially now in California, the gas prices are extremely high.
Yeah.
So just keep it, man. You want to keep your investment cheap, man. And, because people, you're not needing a luxury car. No, just get something cheap. You're trying to make money. It's all about money. And plus, y'all, some people just lame anyway. It don't matter what car you get. You still ain't gonna get no girls. You still a nerd. Car ain't gonna save you.
Yeah, I agree, because all my exes, like, I was one with the car. I was their private Uber driver.
That's why you need to drive. That's why you need to sign up.